From zero to a live trading AI agent in less than 30 seconds, no KYC, no API keys, I'll time it. Go to ai.eterna.exchange, click Get Started, choose your platform, copy the MCP URL, go to Claude Connectors, click Add Custom Connector, name it, paste the URL, click Add, click Connect, sign in with Google, authorize Claude to make trades for you, and bada bim bada boom, your Claude is now fully capable of performing trades on crypto, commodities, and certain stocks. Let's just tell Claude to perform technical analysis and recommend a position to open. And we don't need Opus for that, Sonnet is good enough. Now Claude is analyzing a bunch of market data to recommend a trade for us. It recommends shorting Pengu. It says Pengu is up 16.7% today, but the technicals are screaming exhaustion. This is a classic pump exhaustion setup. The smart money is already unloading into retail buyers. Let's see the details of the proposed trade. So it's a short position with stop loss and take profit, 5x leverage. And it says that the risk to reward ratio here is roughly 1 to 2. This looks good to me. So yes, let's open that position. And now Claude is opening the position for me. If that looks interesting to you, later this week, I'm hosting a workshop where I show how you can set up your own AI trading agent in less than 30 minutes. All you have to do is click a link below and I'll see you there.